Hello students, I welcome you again in Sanskaram group of school. Today we discuss exercise 1.3 and in this exercise we discuss Indian place value chart. So let us discuss Indian place value chart. First of all we discuss period, we write here period and there is place. In Indian system the low we starting from right side. First period is our ones. In ones period, there are three sub period. First sub period is ones, then tens, then hundred. After that, second period is thousand. In thousand period, there are again two sub period, thousand and 10,000. Then next period is lakh. In lakh, there are two sub period. First one is lakh and second one is 10 lakh. Then next sub period is crore. In crore we have again two sub period. First period is crore and next one is 10 crore. So we start reading from here any number. हम किसी भी नंबर को सबसे लास्ट से रीड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी रीड वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, करोड़ एंड 10 करोड़. और जहाँ जहाँ हमारे ये मेन पीरियड आते हैं वंस, 1000, lakh, करोड़, वहाँ पे हम क्या लगाते हैं? कोमा. Now let us start exercise 1.1 with question number 1. In question number 1 you have to find the place values. आपको प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी है. इसके अकॉर्डिंग रीड करेंगे. जहाँ पे जो प्लेस वैल्यू आएगी वो निकालनी है. In first part you have to find the place value of 5 in this number. We start from there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So this become 7 lakh 29,531. अगर वैसे भी रीड करें वंस, टेंस, 100 तो 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी बच्चा? 100. So place value of 5 is 5 multiply 100, 500. Again here you have to find the place value of 0 in this number. So ones, tens, 100. So place value of 0, 0 multiply 100 gives you 0. In next question you have to find the place value of 9. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we write place value of 9 is 9 multiply 1000 gives you 9,000. Okay. In the same way in this number the place value of 2, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So you write place value of 2 is 2 multiply lakh. So its answer is 2 lakh. Okay. In the same way you have to do part number 5 and part number 6 yourself. Now question number 2. In question number 2 you have to find the sum of place values of 5. आपको 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी है और उनका सम निकालना है. सो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 5 इज 5. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000. सो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 5 इज 5000. अब आपको 5000 और 5 का सम निकालना है. सो वी राइट सम ऑफ प्लेस वैल्यूज ऑफ 5000 एंड 5 गिव्स यू 5005 in the same way. Now come to this question. Ones, tens, 100. So place value of 5 is 500. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this one is 50,000. You have to find the sum of the place values. आपको दोनों place value का sum निकालना है. तो हम दोनों place values को क्या कर देंगे? Plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 remain as it is. So your answer is 50,500. In the same way, fourth part you have to do yourself. In question number 3, in this question you have to find the difference of place values of 8. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी है और उनका डिफरेंस यानी कि उनको माइनस करना है. Ones, place value of 8, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So place value of this 8 is 80,000. So difference of the place values 80,000 minus 8, we get 79,992. In the same next part, we have to find the place value of these two 8 ones and tens. So place value of this is 80, ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is 8,000. Now we have to find the difference of place values. So 8,000 minus 80, 0. We have to take carry 10 minus 8, 2, 9 remain as it is 7. In the same way, you have to do part number 3 and part number 4 yourself. In question number 4, you have to write the digit which has greatest place value. जिस डिजिट की ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू है आपको वो बताना है. तो ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा? जो नंबर सबसे ग्रेटर प्लेस पे होगा. सो वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So in this is 9 has greatest place value digit. 9 is the digit which has greatest place value. Okay, in the same way you have to do the remaining these parts. In this 2 has greatest place value, in this 5, and this 1. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is write the number name of the following numbers. जो आपको नंबर गिवन है आपको उनको नंबर नेम लिखना है. Then you have to write them in placement boxes. Placement boxes में लिखना है. And also write them in expanded form. Expanded form का मीनिंग होता है डिजिट को उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करके फॉर्म में लिखना. Now first one is this. So ones, tens, 100, I put comma, 1000, 10,000, then comma, then lakh. So this becomes 5,86,430. Now you have to put in then placement boxes. So lakh, 1000, ones. Lakh में 2 सब पीरियड, 1000 में 2 सब पीरियड, ones में 3 सब पीरियड. So 5 lakh, so 5 वाले में 5, 10 lakh वाले में 0. 86,000, 8 and 6, 430, 430. Now this is expanded form. 5 lakh, so 5 multiply 1 lakh. 86,000, so this 8 multiply 10,000, 6 multiply 1000, 4 multiply 100, 3 multiply 10, 0 multiply 1. डिजिट को उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखेंगे. इन द सेम 98 lakh 57,326. 98 lakh, so 9 and 8. 57,000, 5 and 7, and ones 326, 326, and this is their expanded form. In the same way you have to do yourself remaining parts of this question. Now question number 6. In question number 6 you have to write in short form. आपको short form में लिखना है. This is the your question. So we are starting from right. सबसे पहले ones place पे 8, tens place पे 9, 100 place पे 4, 1000 place पे 6, 10,000 place पे 4, 50 lakh है बच्चा. 1 lakh पे कुछ भी नहीं है, so we write on 1 lakh position 0. Okay, from this way again. Ones place 6, 100 place 2, 10 place पे कुछ भी नहीं था, so we write 0. 1000 place 7, 10,000 place पे कुछ भी नहीं है, so we write 0. And at 9 lakh place we write 9. In the same way you have to do yourself remaining parts. Now question number 7. You have to compare the number which one is greater and which one is smaller. So read this. 4 lakh 68,523, and this one is 26 lakh 52,489. So this number is greater. This one 98 lakh 69,549, and this one is 9 lakh 86,949. So this one is greater. In the same way you have to do remaining third and fourth part yourself. Question number 8. Question number 8 is you have to write the greatest and the smallest number from all these numbers. इन numbers में से greater number लिखना है बेटा, greatest number और smallest number. रीड आउट करेंगे 36,89,421, 63,89,402, 72,99,362, 2,79,96,320. करोड़ प्लेस पे गया है तो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ये और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 36 लाख. इन द सेम वे remaining parts you have to do yourself. Now last question. In last question you have to arrange them in ascending order. आपको इन्हें ascending order में लिखना है. So read out 26,09,964, 3 crore 62,80,095, 46,753, 2 crore. It means सबसे छोटा ये वाला है. So you write answer 46,753. देन ये भी करोड़ में है, ये भी करोड़ में है. दिस वन इज 20 लाख. सो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 20,09,964. देन दिस इज 2 करोड़ एंड दिस वन इज 3 करोड़. सो 2 करोड़ इज स्मॉलर. सो 2 करोड़ 95,23,645. देन लास्ट नंबर 3 करोड़ 62,000. Sorry, 3 crore 62 lakh 80,095. In the same way you have to do yourself second part. So this is 9.3. In next video we discuss this is 1.3. In next video we discuss 1.4. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, bachcha.